Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the leveling leg in your LG dryer, you will need an adjustable wrench. Prop up the dryer to gain access to the leg. Using the wrench, loosen and unscrew the leveling leg. To install the new leveling leg, screw in and tighten the leg into the dryer frame. Carefully lower the appliance. Check that the dryer is level. And your dryer should be ready for use.